Hi everyone, this is Payal Datta, and you tuned into Spiritual Vibrations. I might be looking very drowsy right now because I've decided that whenever I get these feelings to talk with you, I will just record it and I will upload it on my YouTube channel. I don't know who's meant to watch this. I don't know. Maybe after many years, people watch it. I don't doesn't bother me at all anymore, because now I've understood that this is something this I'm getting plugged, and the divinity is flowing through me at the moment, and it's better if there's no audience. I'll record it. And luckily, I still have got good audience. Like I've got my students, but then what happens? The students are the one who have taken the dare to work with me. But what about those who don't even know me, or maybe who don't have the money to work with me, or they just don't have the faith in the process which I'm learning or I'm doing. So I've been going through a lot of personal revelation, self evolution. Uh, I myself went through a not went through. I'm still going through a health related issue. Then it's really taking a toll on my health. And whatever I was teaching to my students, to my batch, I'm now applying it completely upon myself. And the beauty of it is that it is working. It's working, like it's working amazing. Being conscious, even in physical illness, I'm able to do it. Showing gratitude with every state, every moment when these life comes and blows you out. It is coming and blowing you off. It is saying, oh, is it you have understood the game? Okay, let me blow you here, let me see how far you have understood. And once I get the blow and I act exactly according to the teachings I have taught my class, I am doing it myself. I see it is really working. And I'm as if I'm just playing with um, the Maya. And I don't take Maya as a negative thing at all in my life. I feel that's she Maya itself is Ma Bhagwati, and that's how she tests you. Because कोई भी पास होने के लिए आपको किसी तरह के टेस्ट से गुजरना होता है, और टेस्ट भी वही देता है जो पढ़ा रहा होता है. दैट्स द ब्यूटी ऑफ इट, द एंटायर प्रोसेस. लाइक टेस्ट भी वही लेता है जो पढ़ाएगा. वही टेस्ट लेने की कैपेसिटी भी रखता है, अदरवाइज कौन कौन टेस्ट ले सकता है. अब आप पढ़ किसी और से रहे, कोई भलता ही टेस्ट लेगा तो क्या ही टेस्ट लेगा वो. तो आने वाला जो व्यक्ति आपको टेस्ट ले रहा है वो वही होगा जो आपको पढ़ा रहा है, क्योंकि फिर वो अपनी टीचिंग्स की टेस्टिंग लेता है. एंड आई फील दैट येस, दैट्स ट्रू. भगवती इज एक्चुअली that element which is again very dark and negative, to make it a point that it is going to push you so hard that you fail. And she wants you to fail also. That's the beauty of the process, is that she's coming from here, she's teaching you, she's teaching you. Then when you mentally say, oh, I have learned a lesson, and she said, okay, fine, if you've learned the lesson, very good. And then from here, the darker side, that the Kali, the Tara, she comes, the Chinnamasta comes, and they start the Dhumavati, all the dangerous ones. They come, and then they test you. They test you, and then at the point when you're still silent, in peace, in your own self, main the game is should be internal. It's not like आप आवाज़ कर रहे हो, बोल रहे हो मुझे बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. That is not a problem. You can cry. And that's what I'm trying to teach every single person who's watching this video, is that लोग समझ ही नहीं पा रहे. लोग ऑथेंटिक ही नहीं रह पा रहे. उनको मीनिंग ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा ऑथेंटिक का, जो मैं उनको समझाना चाहती हूँ. Meaning of authenticity is that if you feel like crying, please cry. But there is a one inside you who knows that I'm crying because there's a pain in the physical body, and the physical body is crying. And I'm just watching him or her from inside. The drishta is watching that part of me which is suffering. But I don't feel pain because I know what is the gimmicks going on. This is the Maya taking place. and I'm absolutely at still, and I'm understanding why and what test she's going through. And that internal me, Joe, the one who is witnessing, is actually now worshipping Devi more strongly, and completely surrendering myself into her divine lotus feet, along with this part of me, like the one who is crying, crying, saying, oh, the health is not good, this health is really taking a toll on me, I'm not able to do few things and all, सब कुछ हो रहा है, लेकिन अंदर वाला जो व्यक्ति है मेरे अंदर, जो मेरा विटनेसर है, वो तो पूरे एकदम फुल भक्ति मोड में है. लाइक यू से ना भक्ति मोड, आई एम फुल ऑन भक्ति मोड, फुल ऑन सरेंडर मोड, एंड I'm enjoying that part of me, in spite my illness is really taking a toll on me. You won't see my face like that, because now I understand when these great saints, they have got cancer on their body, but they smile, and the smile is so beautiful, and you see कैसे ना उन्होंने कर लिया, पर वो हम भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ, होता है. It's just the teaching which is you have to engrave in yourself. Is that the learning which you have to engrave in yourself? That's the beauty of it, and I'm so glad that I could do it. Like I could pass the test, because I have not yet passed the test. The process is still moving on me. But then नहीं से ही मज़ा आता है, और होता है ये ऐसा. It's not a fake information provided to us by all our saints that when they were suffering, going through so much of pain, there was such a serene smile on their face, and that smile was not fake. They were not acting. No, they were not. They were actually being honest, and I can sense that happiness within me in spite of so much of health related issues. So I just wanted to share this feeling with you, that, as I said, the teachings that I'm giving in my inner child healing class, the kind of knowledge I'm departing to you in my sessions, people are also enjoying it, and I would like you to also attend those courses. Why? Not that because I want to earn from it, or now earning is not even a problem, because see, I've got a very stable husband, he is taking care of me. Now, like, I am not working at all right now, I'm just sitting home because I'm not well. So the Prakriti is taking care of me. So money is not the criteria. It's now my criteria is to depart the knowledge which I've gathered, depart the practices which I've actually performed upon me, the thing which I'm doing which is making me this strong even in the most difficult time of my life. I'm at peace. And the most important thing which you get out of all this is freedom. Because you are so scared, you are creating so many blocks all around you, so nobody is able to understand you, nobody is able to touch your soul, because you yourself have created blocks all around you, and all these blocks are there all around you because you are scared. So you are not allowing anyone to touch you. And inner child healing is the process wherein you drop these you drop all these blocks, you remove these defense mechanisms which you have piled upon yourself. And it's many people would come to me who are full of clutter. They have so much of a clutter on them. Some might take time, some they get it because their time has come, that even they might be working in their past life for so long that today they are quickly able to get what they want to. So yes, thank you so much for listening to me for so long. It's a 10-minute video. I hope you have that much of a patience to listen to me, and if you like the video, let me know, comment in the comment box. If you're interested in the program, please join me, DM me, message in the, and then we will get in touch with you. Enjoy yourself. God bless you all.